and y-intercept are the equation. Same model. So they given equation of line, they given this equation of line like that you want to change. That is y is equal to mx plus c. That is left hand side y alone. Left hand side y alone. You want another variables and all we can change into right hand side. So first one I can change here. Here y value having, so I can keep this side. First I can change x this side. So plus come this side, minus. Plus come this side, minus. Next I need y value. So here this multiple come this side, divide. Come this side, divide. So now we can get y is equal to 3 minus root 3x by 1 minus root 3. So now we can split into the terms. The denominator is both common for 3 and minus 2 root 3x. So the denominator is both common for these two terms. So I can split the terms. Like that we can split. Understand otherwise? Here this is only constant. Only constant we can take y-intercept. Y-intercept. Here x is slope. X is slope. So we can get slope m is equal to minus root 3 by 1 minus root 3. And y-intercept is equal to 3 by 1 minus root 3. So next see here slope you have 1 minus root 3. So 1 minus root 3 having, so this one you want to change into a rational number. So only I can take conjugate of this term, because we want to change the denominator into the rational number. Denominator want to change into rational number, so I can take the conjugate. Conjugate means minus change to plus. So take the conjugate, multiply both numerator and denominator. Understand the conjugate means minus you want to take to plus. So you want to multiple both numerator and denominator. Now we can multiple in denominator, we can get a minus b and a plus b. Formula a minus b and a plus b, we can get formula is equal to a square minus b square. That is denominator only. So the numerator we can multiple straightly, and the denominator we can change to formula a square minus b square. So like that we can change means we can get the answer minus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 by 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel. So next you can take root 3 multiply inside. We can multiply inside. We can get 1 into root 3, root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So we can get root 3 plus 3 by 2. Clear? So now slope, what is answer? Root 3 plus 3 by 2. Same step you want to use in y-intercept, because in the denominator term they having square root number. The square root number you want to change into rational number. Understand? So only I can take here conjugate. So take the conjugate for 1 minus root 3. Here minus we can change to plus. So 1 plus root 3 and numerator also we can multiple 1 plus root 3. So we can multiple means it is we can get the answer 3 plus 3 root 3 by minus 2. This is y-intercept. Now the denominator change into rational numbers. Noda? Understand guys? So like that you want to find. So first one slope and second one y-intercept. Understand guys? Next go for next sum. See the sum guys. What the sum they given? Find the value of a if the line passes through the point and perpendicular to y is equal to ax plus 2. Ax plus 2. Clear? That is you want to find the value of a. Here what they given? First one, the equation of line passing through the point. The equation of line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 and 8 comma 5. So this line is perpendicular to what the second equation? Y is equal to ax plus 2. So they given the two lines are perpendicular. The two lines are perpendicular. Then you want to find the value of a. So the two lines are perpendicular means the perpendicular condition. What is the perpendicular condition? M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So first you want to find M1 and second you want to find M2. So first you find M1, that is M1 is first one and this is M2. So M1 is minus, you want to find M1. M1 is the slope of line minus 2, 3 and 8, 5. So here they given 2 points. They given 2 point means slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So x1 y1 x2 y2 take and substitute here. We can get 2 by 5 and m1 is equal to 1 by 5. Clear? And then what is the second equation they given? That is y is equal to ax plus 2. From this equation we want to find the slope m2. You want to find slope m2. Here they given equation of line. They given equation of line. So the equation of line they given means slope formula minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. So here coefficient of x is equal to a. So minus a by y coefficient is minus 1. So minus minus cancel. We can get m2 is equal to 1. m2 is equal to 1. So here the given condition, the lines are perpendicular. So given the two lines are perpendicular. So perpendicular condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So take and substitute. m1 is equal to 1 by 5 and m2 is equal to a. I can substitute here. m1 is equal to 1 by 5 and m2 is equal to a. So divide 5 come this side, multiple. So we can get a is equal to minus 5. Understand, boys? Clear? So what is it here? The two lines are perpendicular. You want to find the value of a. So perpendicular condition m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So first find m1 and m2. Substitute here. Find the value of a. Understand the? And then next go for next sum. See the question. The hill in the form of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means any one angle is 90 degree. And the foot at, what is the foot they given? 19, 3. The foot is 19, 3. Okay, and the angle of inclination is 45. So find the equation of hill joining the foot and the top. That is hill, the ground. So now we want to find the equation of line, that is hill to ground. This equation of line you want to find. Here what are they given? Passing through the point 19, 3. Passing through point 19, 3 and they given slope. Not given, they given angle of inclination, theta is given. Theta is equal to 45. So first you want to find slope. So here theta is given, theta is equal to 45. So we find the slope. So theta is given, slope formula m is equal to tan theta. Here theta is 45. So tan 45. So the value of tan 45 is equal to 1. So we can get m is equal to 1. So now find m is equal to 1. So here what they given? Slope they given and passing through one point is given. Understand, boys? That is equation of line passing through one point and slope m. Passing through one point and slope is given. Then equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So passing through one point and slope m they given. Equation of line y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So take and substitute here x1 and this is y1. Here substitute means y minus y1. So y1 is 3 and m is equal to 1. So x minus 19. So take 1 multiply inside. So we can get y minus 3 is equal to x minus 19. So change this here. Equation of line x is always positive. X is always positive. So only I can take this term this side. Because equation of line x term is always positive. So we can change this side. So plus y come this side, minus y, and minus 3 come this side, plus y. Here already having x minus 19. So we can get the equation x minus y minus 16 is equal to 0. So this is equation of line hill to ground. Okay da boys. Okay, thank you da boys.